Hello students, today we are going to learn multiplication of integers. We already know multiplication of whole numbers. Let us study multiplication of integers. 3 multiplied by 4. We can take this as 3 times 4. So on the number line we can represent this as starting from the 0, 4 one time, 4 one more time, that is 8, 4 one more time, that is 12. So 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. Let us take second example. 2 multiplied by 5, that can be taken as 2 times 5. 5 once, 5 2 times, that is 10. So 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. Let's take next example. 3 multiplied by minus 4. We can take this as 3 times minus 4. Now minus 4 is on the left side of the number line. So 1 is minus 4. If we take one more time, it reaches minus 8. And third time you are supposed to take, so it will be minus 12. So when you take minus 4 3 times, it becomes minus 12. So 3 multiplied by minus 4 is minus 12. 2 multiplied by minus 5. So we are going to take minus 5 2 times. So let us start with 0, minus 5 one time, and one more time we'll take minus 5, it reaches to minus 10. So 2 multiplied by minus 5 is minus 10. Let us take next example now. Minus 2 multiplied by 3. We can take this as 3 times minus 2. So let us start with 0 from the center of the number line. And let us mark, let us see where we reach. Minus 2 one time, minus 2 one more time, minus 2, minus 2, and minus 2, that is minus 6. So minus 2 multiplied by 3 is minus 6. Let's take next example. Minus 4 multiplied by 2. Let us start with the 0 on the number line. We take minus 4 one time, minus 4 two times, that is minus 8. Let us take this example. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 2. Now in this case both the integers are negative. Multiplying two negative integer is same as multiplying the two same positive integer. So we can take this as 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6. Let's take next example. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 5, that is same as 2 multiplied by 5. That is equal, let us draw it on the number line. 2 how many times? 5 times, or we can take 5 2 times, it is 10. So let's take some examples now. 3 multiplied by 2, answer will be 6. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 2, if both numbers negative, answer is 6. Minus 3 multiplied by 2 or 3 multiplied by minus 2. In this case, answer will be minus 6. So, you have to remember here rules of multiplication of integers. What are the rules of multiplication of integers? Let us see. Very simple. When both the numbers which you are multiplying are of same sign, then answer is always positive. And if the two numbers that you are multiplying are of different sign, then answer is negative. Positive answer. And if the two numbers that you are multiplying are of opposite sign, plus and other minus, then answer is negative. Let us take example 7 multiplied by 3, 21. Minus 7 multiplied by minus 3, 21. Minus 7 multiplied by 3 is minus 21. 7 multiplied by minus 3 is again minus 21. So let us solve some examples. First, minus 5 multiplied by minus 3. What is the answer? In this case, minus 5 and minus 3 are of same sign numbers. So when you multiply those same sign number, answer is always positive. So in this case, 5 3s are 15 and 15 will be plus 15. Let's take second example. Seven multiplied by 4. Both the numbers are positive. They are of same sign. So numbers are of same sign. And if numbers are of same sign, answer is always positive. So in this case, 7 4s are 28. Let's take third example. Minus 5 multiplied by 6. Now in this case, first number is negative, second is positive. So in this case, numbers are of different sign. So answer should be negative. Answer should be negative. Let's take fourth example. 8 multiplied by minus 2. Now in this case, first number is positive, second is negative. So they are of different sign. And if the two numbers are of different sign, then answer, that is product, should be negative. So in this case it will be negative 16. So in short, let us summarize the rules for multiplication of integers. If you want to multiply the numbers without considering the sign, that is step 1. Step 2. Determine the sign of final answer based on the following condition. Condition 1. If the sign of two numbers are same, the product is always positive. And condition 2. If the sign of the two numbers are different, that is one positive, one negative, then the product is always negative. Thank you.